There are certain devices that have been around with us for hundreds of years and continue to remain important in their utility. One such item is a compass. If you were into adventure activities like hiking and camping, you would know that a compass is an instrument that you just can't go without having in your kit. Given its vintage, a compass might appear like a simple instrument with very little distinguishing one product from another, but it's these small differences that can decide between being helplessly stranded for hours in an isolated patch of forest or finding your way back to civilization on a camping trip. Whether you are an adventure pro or a beginner, our product today is an ideal aid for your future trips, scoring over its competitors in several small but important aspects.
Here we go!
The CC4580 MilitaryLensatic Prismatic sighting compass comes from SE, a brand known for a wide range of quality tools for outdoor and DIY activities. The device is fine-tuned to serve as the ultimate navigation tool, with accuracy, durability, and ease of use its prime design criteria, making it a must-have for every adventure. Its zinc, die-cast body gives it the strength to work with you through the roughest of camping, hiking, or scouting trips. It's also easy to carry around, measuring just 3 by 2 by 5 inches and weighing less than 4 ounces, and comes with a heavy-duty camouflage print cover. To make this product even more attractive, you get a water-resistant nylon pouch along with it. One of the prime features of this device is the thermoelastic liquid-filled capsule with floating dial. This thermoelastic liquid-filled capsule has a damping effect on the magnetic needle of the compass and is able to withstand extreme changes in temperature and air pressure, giving you accurate readings no matter what the conditions are. You also have a window on the top with an adjustable diopter sighting lens, and correct handling of this device lets you view both the target through the window and the direction through the sighting lens. The sapphire-bearing sighting lens system's integrated index line and magnifier ensure that you get a precise reading every time. Other handy features in this SE compass include the rotating bezel ring, tripod screw hole on base, conversion chart on the back plate for angle, gradient and distance, 36-inch lanyard, and folding thumb ring. The glow-in-the-dark arrow in the compass makes it easy to use the compass even at night or in overcast conditions. Let's take a quick look at its performance in the user reviews. This compass looks like quite a bestseller, with feedback from close to 3,000 users and a fairly impressive average rating of 3.8 on 5 stars. Some users have complaints about the difficulty in getting a hang of it, and even the quality of the material. But this has been countered by positive comments from many more about the accuracy and the build quality. Checking it out for yourself would probably be the best way to figure out if it works for you, as it seems to have for so many adventure enthusiasts. That's about all we have for now on the SE CC4580 MilitaryLensatic Prismatic sighting compass. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of interesting gadgets here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.